Back on popular request, the tapping technique, but this time we're going to apply it specifically to resentment, a feeling and emotion that it's often preventing us from standing into our full power. Because we hold on so much that others have done us wrong or treated us bad, and therefore we're just giving our power away to the other. Today we're going to do the tapping, the emotional freedom technique that we've done in the previous video and that you can find here as well if you want to go and have a different approach to it. But today we're going to apply it to resentment and calling back our power from people and from situations. So as you know or might not know yet, the tapping works by removing the negative attachment to a people or a situation in the past. So many times when people treat us a certain way and it makes us feel uncomfortable, is not necessarily what is happening in this moment, but the memory and the attachment we have to the memory, the feelings the past have brought to us. And the key to be more open and to more connected with life in a non-attached way, but in a present way, it's by removing these old attachments. So by choosing to no longer feed into and hold on to feelings of insecurity, of doubt, and essentially of powerlessness, where we believe collectively that people or situations have to be a certain way for us to feel free, and we start to install that freedom into ourselves today. That is emotional freedom. So what we'll be doing is we'll be tapping to the particular sequence that is essentially balancing the whole nervous system and all the Chinese medicine points that are aimed to have a free circulation of energy into the body, thus leading to a state of homeostasis in mind and body. And simultaneously, we are gonna take our power back. So we are practicing forgiveness in the first part for having people taking away our power. And in the second part of the tapping sequence, I'm going to work specifically with affirmations to call back our power and to make us feel fully in charge of who we are and how we react and engage with the world. And then at the end, we're going to do a retention of breath to really hold that energy and step into the rest of our day with a sense of wholeness and personal power, which is of crucial importance when we want to be centered in life. So let's get started with closing the eyes for a moment and just celebrating that we chose to be here and we chose to confront challenging emotions and feelings that can be part of our daily reality. And just start to take a few breaths where you're consciously calling forth, calling back your power, calling forth an energy of being in charge of the way you are engaging with your reality. And you can watch the video, watch the points, or you can just listen to my guidance and repeat the video as well as many times as you need to call back your power, and starting to join the hands in front of the heart. And I want you to clearly envision a moment or a situation where you felt that you had to wait for a person or situation or circumstance to change for you to feel in peace. And you're gonna say, I recognize that I gave my power away and I forgive myself. I recognize that in this situation I give my power away and I forgive myself. I forgive myself and I love myself. And now we're going to start tapping on that. So first part is tapping on the recognition of what belief we've been holding on and what kind of illusion we've been feeding into. So you can start with taking the sides of your hand, the karate chop, and just start tapping. Breathing firmly and consciously in and out, and just repeating for yourself, even if I was giving my power to this situation or this person or this circumstance, I choose to forgive myself and to love myself. Nice. Now we're moving on to the next point. We're going to tap to the crown of the head. So just tap with one hand or two hands. You can put your second hand on your heart. I give my power away to the situation, waiting for this to happen. And I love and accept myself. I forgive myself. moving to the center of the forehead, staying with the breath. I give my power away to this situation, and I love and accept myself. So removing the attachment and the emotional load and freeing the energy for cultivating a new reality. Now go to the sides of your head, 2 hands, side of the eyes. Keep going, last time. Even if I gave my power to this person or situation, I forgive myself and I love myself. And now we're going to shift into the desired outcome and situation. So come onto under the nose, the under nose point, and say, I am choosing to react this way. I am choosing to take my power. I acknowledge my power to react differently, breathing in and breathing out. I act and respond from love and respect for myself. Go under the mouth, same line, but under the mouth, and keep going. I choose to take my power back. I use the energy I was used to fight others and fight situations, to build myself, build my reactions, and bring it in alignment with my sacred intention to respect myself and to love myself. Now go to the center of your chest, keep tapping. Stay here a bit longer. I take my power back. I act and engage with life from a place of love and self-respect. Now just go here to the side, same line, and just tap a bit here to the top. Just on top of the chest, keep tapping. I take my power back. And now going just below the chest, so just on the rib cage, same point, which is going to be here. We're adding a few different points, but we're really freeing the energy. Just stay to the emotion and the energy of accepting yourself, of taking your power back. Feel the boundaries of your body and embody this new reality. Then going to the sides of the rib cage and tapping there, crossing the arms. I take my power back from all circumstances, people, and past. I choose in the present. I choose in the present. Nice. And then let's end with the karate chop. I take my power back. I choose. I choose. In alignment with my intentions. I am free to own my reactions. And then we're going to finish with a few retentions. So now place your hands to the center of action, which is the solar plexus, stomach area. Put your 2 hands there. Now take a deep inhalation. Hold the breath. I honor my actions to change my reactions. I honor my effort to watch this video and start to take steps for different outcomes. Now breathe out. Breathe in again. I take my power. I know my power. I honor my power. And exhale again. Last one. Now inhale, hold the breath. Feel your boundaries of your body. Feel the light, feel the energy within to choose how you engage with the world around. And then exhaling completely, and now just shake it up, shake your hands, take a few sighs, and walk away with a renewed sense of power and alignment. And then you can open your eyes, and I truly hope you found this helpful. And if you did, please share in the comment section below. Share this with your friends. We can all benefit from this. Sometimes our biggest mistake is to give our power away. It's not a mistake. If we don't keep repeating it, then it's just a lesson, and lessons are blessings on our path, because we can grow and evolve and use the things that make us uncomfortable for us to move as a motivation, to move into comfort, move into empowerment, and move into freedom together. So let's do it. Subscribe, like, and share the video if this was helpful for you. Thank you.